Okay, so today I'm on a 2.5 mile hike to Echo Lake with my friend Jamie, who's up ahead.
I want to introduce our team first. I'm Jim. I'm a guide for the Tahoe Rim Trail Association. Basically what we do is we build and maintain trail, 170-mile trail around Lake Tahoe, mostly on the ridge tops. About 50 miles of it is the Pacific Crest Trail.
I'm on a 2.5 mile hike to Echo Lake with my friend Jamie, who's up ahead. And it's guided by the Tahoe Rim Trail Association. And there's a tree expert telling us all about the trees. And it's totally tired. I'm super awesome. Not I'm super awesome, it's super awesome. And there's Jamie!
We've lost a lot of our varieties of trees during the Comstock area. So in the 1940s, 50s, when they started replanting, they did a little bit of research, but not too much. When they started replanting, they did a lot of firs, a lot of Jeffreys, and those were very dominant growing. They outcompeted a lot of our natural species like sugar pines, western white pines. But with the sugar pines, they should be about 25 to 30% of our forest. Right now, they're under 5%. With the help of our foundation and community volunteers, we're trying to bring that population back.
So, yeah, we're lost. We took a wrong turn.
Daughter party part 2.
That's right. Daughter party part 2. Here we go. Who am I going to eat first?
I think it's in poor taste.
Yeah. I got plenty of that. Speaking of Donner party. Food.
Trail that should have cut off to the right at some point.
Sooner we should have gone off sooner.
We should have gone off sooner. Yeah.
But you wouldn't have gotten this view.
That's okay, this is fine.
Yes,
A bonus vista.
Yes, it looks beautiful, nice and green, but we shouldn't be this close. Smaller trees that weren't able to grow as tall.
My favorite's when we got the snow-covered trees.
I know, I love that. Looks so wintry perfect.
Iron Walk. It's right next to the bagel shop.
Okay.
You're on camera. Hello.
Hey there.
Everybody wave! Are we heading back?
Any idea how thick the ice is?
Wow, benches, how civilized. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, not today. Oh yes, take a load off. Wow. The view.
Your wild, impressive life.
And meanwhile, we all get our cameras out.
I know. Go, Keith, go. Test the edge. Okay, so we've got Jamie in her perfect moment. It's her quintessential.
I'm eating.
Are you even in the? I can't even see.
I'm eating, of course.
Okay. So we just had lunch. We got to the lake. It was amazing. Crazy people are actually on the lake.
Yeah, gorgeous Echo Lake. Definite 10 stars, plus a few extra for the bonus hike to the vista.
Yeah.
Tremendous.
Now we have to go up that giant hill over there.
One step at a time. We've got it. I've got awesome chocolate on board.
Do this.
See you at the summit.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's rockstar.
I like to make my own fun.
This is an
outside in the talents.
outdoor professional at work.
Yeah,
Pretty much.
Here's to staycations.